Ready to skyrocket your business growth using the power of SMS marketing? First, head over to Twilio and create a free account. You will need to provide your email and create a password. Once you've verified your email, you're in. Now, navigate to the Twilio console. This is your command center. Look for the Get a Twilio phone number button and click it. This number is what you'll use to send your SMS messages. You can filter by country, capabilities, make sure SMS is checked, and even search for numbers with specific area codes relevant to your target audience. Choose a number that fits your needs and purchase it. Next, let's explore the messaging section. In the left-hand sidebar, this is where you'll craft and manage your SMS campaigns. Click on Try It Out and then select Send an SMS. This is a simple way to send your first SMS. Enter the number you'd like to send it to in the To field, using the format of country code plus the rest of the number. In the Body field, type your marketing message. Keep it concise, engaging, and include a clear call to action, such as a limited time offer or a link to your website, and select your Twilio phone number in the From dropdown. Hit Send. And just like that, you've sent your first SMS marketing message with Twilio. Now you are ready to customize and use this platform to reach all of your customer base.